Have you downloaded NVIDIA Broadcast but not know how to put it into Zoom meetings or put it into your OBS down here? Today I'm going to show you how to set up a scene and put it straight into a virtual camera, into your Zoom meetings, Restream, or whatever else you're going to use. If you haven't already got NVIDIA Broadcast downloaded, make sure you go to this video that I'm pinning up above. Go and watch that all the way through. It will show you how to download, install, and set it all up. Then come back to this video and I can show you how to put it into OBS and take it into all of your Zoom meetings. Let's get into it. So when you first come into OBS, everything down there is going to be blank. There's going to be no scenes, no sources, no nothing. Mine's obviously chock-a-block with a few things because I've been doing videos like this showing people how to work it. The first thing you want to go down and do is you're going to be in a scene already. But for me, I'm going to press this plus and I'm going to add a scene. Name the scene whatever you want and click OK. I've already got one there called NVIDIA Broadcast and we're going to go over to that now. As you can see, I've already added the snowball, which is my microphone, and then the screen, which is my screen recording here, so you can hear and see what I'm doing. But this will come up blank for you. So the first thing you want to do is click this plus, go video capture device, write whatever you want, but may as well call it NVIDIA Broadcast output, so you know what it is. Click OK. You're going to want to go to camera NVIDIA Broadcast. Then everything else here, leave exactly as it is. Don't even worry about it. As you can see, faces come up there. I've got the blurred behind me. My eyes are looking at the screen. Click OK. So just imagine this. It doesn't have you won't have the screen behind. This is what will pop up for you. Then you want to make this the full screen. If you don't need to put any other overlays into your scene or anything else, you just want to make it full screen like this, because when you go into a zoom, it's just going to take this full image exactly as your webcam takes it. Maybe you want to crop the sides a little bit, which a quick way of cropping the sides, hold Alt and pull in, and you will crop whatever you're pulling in. Little quick tip for you there, guys. Alright, you've got your face into OBS. Easy. But maybe it looks a little bit grainy or the focus is a little bit out or something's not right about your face. You just want to change it. You can go over here and go to filters. And I think the easiest one is do color correction. You don't need to move these much. Obviously move them up so you can see what it does. Obviously this brightens it. I just want a little bit of brightness, a little bit more contrast, a little bit more brightness, saturation, a little bit. Hue shift. So you just want to change things slightly. Have a look at the difference between now and now. Huge difference. It sharpens your face. It makes it look a lot better. If you don't want to do this, don't worry about the filters. But I think it's just a tiny upgrade to make it look even better for your meetings. So once you've done this and you're ready to put it into a Zoom meeting, we're going to go down here and we're going to go to virtual camera. Click that. Virtual camera has started. Alrighty, so you've opened Zoom and you've gone into a meeting. You want to do this first. You want to go and test drive this and make it sure it looks like you want it to look. So we get to here. This is my normal one. This is what will come up if I joined a meeting and I haven't changed any settings. You come down to this video, click the little arrow up and choose OBS virtual camera. Then start video. Boom. And this is what I have in my OBS, as you can see here. And that is coming through my Zoom meeting. Easy. Quick FYI, this only works on 20, 30, 40, and Titan series NVIDIA GPUs. If you have a Mac or if you only have a 10 series or lower, this will not work on your GPU. I'm sorry, but maybe this is something where you need to upgrade your computer. Good excuse, hey? But if you do need that graphics card, I have a 2070 RTX and the link is down in the description below. It is only a 20 series and it works perfectly fine. So that is it for today, guys. If there's anything you want to know about NVIDIA Broadcast, NVIDIA Maxine, or OBS, let me know in the comments down below. Before you go, make sure you watch this video right here so you can learn more and up your content game even more through me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in your video soon.